This is a 1954 Chevy Club Coupe. Interesting car. It's been really restored to a T. Beautiful wide white walls with hubcaps. And notice that there is chrome along the top of the door and around the car, but the surrounds, the back and front windows, are rubber. So this was the lowest price Chevrolet, I believe, that you could buy in 1954. But looking inside, there's plenty of chrome. The dash, the instrument cluster is chrome laden. This car has a radio, 3-speed manual transmission on the steering column. Very nice seats, and I suspect this has been reupholstery because I believe the original color of the car was different. It's a nice shade of dark green. The car has a visor here, which was common practice back in the day to keep the sun out of your eyes. And here's the engine compartment with the famous Chevy overhead valve 6-cylinder engine. There you see the blue and white combination car originally had, or at least before this restoration. I like it when the owner has a photographic record here of all the trouble they went to redo the car. They really spent some time and money on this one. That engine compartment looks just like it came off the assembly line. It's amazing. There you see the horns up front. The chrome on the front here is excellent, and they didn't skimp on that, even on the low-priced Club Coupe. We've got an oil bath air cleaner, and we've got an oil filter, and here's a jar that for the windshield washers. So this one had windshield washers. It's uncommon to see them filled with fluid. A lot of times they have them empty for show purposes. Very shiny paint. So although this is the base sedan, they really didn't spare the trim that the car did have. Now the steering wheel is very plain, probably the plainest thing in the whole car. Upscale models would have a fancier steering wheel. And those rubber seals around the front and back window, the windshield and the back window are good because there's less chance of clips and so forth marring the paint and causing rust underneath. So in a way it preserves the car.